We are here, we are here, we are here. One is amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up AUD, CAD. We are on the 12-month time frame. Price action, last candle to right hand side is reading as a bullish green candle. Spike up to the high. More like a doji slash spike up to the high slash something top. So basically, price action retesting the previous side of that third and fourth last candle of the market, unless price actions reading as is going to respect the support of the second and the fourth and last candle to work its way up. And also price second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth last candle is going to retest from the previous side, and we'll talk about that soon. Looking for, so current price is at 0.90284. So looking for overall structure, price action, overall structure towards a low, red and green, sitting at the numbers of 0.90283. Looking for that higher structure, landing at the numbers of 1.40821. Also going to the midpoint, creating a zone this time. So let's take a look at how the zone will look. And the midpoint with that would just be the middle of the zone, nearing the numbers of 1.10551. So let's take a look at price and what's going on in that area. So when we try and figure out what's going on with price and what direction it's coming from, there's a few areas we're paying attention to. The last few candles near price, last 4 or 5 candles near price, and the lowest structure, what drew price to that direction. So if we work our way backwards, looking for the lowest red and green touch, what pattern do we have overall? First, second, third, fourth. So we have a double bottom, and we have multiple retests to that second level lows. And what pattern was formed? We have a first, second, third, fourth retest, and price in seconds consolidating. So it's sideways. So if it pushes up the bullish green candle, you'll see that market work its way up. If not, it'll drop down. But if it works its way up, market's coming from a double bottom, a double retest, the market push up to the areas of 1.04898, unless we receive that consolidation of within price second, third, fourth, fifth, the last candle in the market stays in that range, so it'd be still consolidation to the breakout to the top side or downside. But if this market works its way down, where is it coming from? So when that market did break into that zone and came back to retest for multiple times, we're looking for solid red and green, green and red touches when that market went back for the retest. So when the market broke, it came back to retest. This will be an area for that first red and green, which will be identified as an overall first leg, second leg, third leg, and we have a fourth leg. But the market of that fourth leg didn't close out that formation of the M pattern. It stopped at the midpoint. So the market did eventually work its way down to a certain extent, but you can see where we get in those touches with those wicks that's pushing that market back up. So then we have first, second, third, fourth, and then the market retests 1, retest 2, retest, and that's price action. If it follows up the bearish red candle, this market is down. It's coming from a double top and a double retest, or overall quadruple top within that area. Walking down to the 6-month time frame, so price action on the 6-month time frame is reading as a bearish red doji, spike up to the high. So it's retesting the previous candles of the price second, third, fourth, the fifth and sixth candles midpoint. So price in third last candle in the market is tagging the fifth and sixth last candle in the market. It could be working its way down unless it respects the support of the eighth to last candle in the market, bullish green candle, spike down to a low, and the second last candle in the market. So anything within this area is consolidation from the numbers near the numbers of, let's say, 0.95949 towards that support, nearing the numbers of 0.88167. So if that market pushes up and respects the support area, you'll see that pattern form for that first, second, third, and then market push up with a bullish green candle. But we can see price second, third, last candle is consolidating. So we're waiting for the engulfment for that fourth leg to create that structure or that pattern. Walking to the 3-month time frame, so price action on the 3-month time frame is reading as a bullish green doji cross. So it's consolidating inside of the third or fifth to last candle in the market. Primarily look like the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 14th candle in the market. So we're looking for the market to break out of that 14th candle in the market, which would be the market basically went back into that square of that candle. So if it's respected in that market, so if it's respected and push up with a bullish green candle, it can respect the third to last candle in the market and this candle side over here with that spike down to low with the bearish red candle, and that can create the first, second, third, fourth retest, market push up. Market's coming from what? An overall triple bottom or a double bottom and a retest. Market pushes out that area. Walking down to the monthly time frame, so price action on the monthly time frame is reading as a bullish green candle, spike up to the high, second last candle, bearish red candle, spike up to the high. So it's retesting the what? The midpoint of the third to last candle in the market. So if that market pushes down further, so first off, we do know price and second side by side, so it's in that consolidation. So we have that consolidation, waiting for that pattern to break out the area. But let's say if that market drops down, where is it coming from? Coming from the touches of that high. So if it pushes down further, you'll see the first, second, third, fourth retest with price. Follow up, if it follows up with the bearish red candle, it can drop down and come from a double top and a retest or overall triple top. Walking to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame is reading as a bearish red dragonfly, push up to the top, doji style candle, weak candle overall. So you can see that price second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, the last candles is within each other. So we're looking for the breakout primarily of that green and red body towards the third and fourth candle in the market, and that second, third, fourth, and fifth, the last candle in the market towards that bottom side of that body. So we're waiting for that pattern to form. So right now it's reading as a retest. So it's still consolidation. So you're just looking for that pattern in that area. Pushes up first, second, third, fourth. Price action is the retest of the previous candle to the left hand side, and if it pushes up with the bullish green candle, it can break out. But it's reading as a spike up to the high, so it's identifying as trying to work its way down unless it shows otherwise. But we want to see price action work its way down through that bearish red candle, through that second last bullish green candle if it pushes down. Daily time frame, price action bearish red candle going for the second last candle, which would be looking for that breakout of that second last candle to the top of that wick, to the bottom of that wick, creating a zone, stretching out. So we can take a look at what's going on. Patterns being formed. Price second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth last candles in the market, 5 candles in the markets. This is all retest. So we look for the pattern to form in that area to break out. As you see, it came back for a retest of that bottom of that zone. If they push and break out, it's coming from that overall structure of that first, second, third, fourth, double bottom, retest 1. Okay, so we have a triple bottom, retest 2, retest with price action. If it pushed out with the bullish green candle, market's coming from a what? Triple bottom and a double retest. Market blast out that area, but we can still see we are in that zone. We are in side by side with the previous candle, so we're looking for the breakout. Market's trying to work his way down, so if it breaks through the zone, price can head it to the midpoint of that area of 0.89915 before tagging that red and green of support near the numbers of 0.89477. So we're still waiting for the pattern to form to push that market up or down. AUD, CAD.